Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video I thought I would do a little nest with me style vlog. I'm finding myself nesting. You kind of read about these things before you become pregnant or have a baby and you wonder like how true they are, but there is like this constant itch inside me to do something around the house, organise things in the most ridiculously organised way, and I've definitely got the itch to be doing that. I'll take you around little bits I have been doing so far because I've been doing well so far, to be honest. So I'm currently over 35 weeks pregnant now. I'm getting a bit out of breath and I'm not going to lie, I'm getting a bit tired. Actually, I received a bump support band today. I might try that on because that's becoming a little heavy. Look at the size of it, honestly. I feel like it's dropping. I need the baby to stay in there a few more weeks because I've got a few more things to do. Yeah, I thought I'd bring you around on like a nest style video where we can chat. I can show you some new bits around the house. My house might look immaculate when it's on camera because I tidy up the background, but actually in reality my house is such a dump right now. There's just stuff everywhere and I feel like as I've been nesting I've been pulling things out and there's just stuff everywhere and it's like kind of getting to me. Yeah, I'm just going to do as much nesting as I can and as I want to up until the baby, because when the baby is here, you know, I've got so much support around me in terms of family and friends, and like obviously me and Lawrence have so much support that they will just need to do the basics, which is like hoover, you know, antibacterial the kitchen, polish and just stuff like that when they come over and help. So really lucky in that respect. But yeah, and it's also really fun to nest. Anyway, I feel like that was a bit of a ramble. I'm really out of breath today. Anyway, I hope you like this dress. It's like a little organic dress from Primark. It's made out of linen. It's absolutely wonderful. It's not in their maternity section. I really like it because it's just like a perfect throw on summer linen type thing. So yeah, it's not in the maternity section, so if you did want it, get it. And if you are pregnant like me, it's great for maternity as well. Anyway, I'm going to get myself a juice and then let's get on with nesting. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to just quickly show you is my new makeup storage and how I'm trying to like store things because it was all very, very messy. Now, if you watched a couple of weeks ago, I did an IKEA haul and I bought this. Ignore that horrible pile of clothes that I need to put away. I bought this, so it's just like, it's just a wooden organiser thing. Moisturisers, everything's in this one. Hair stuff. There's going to be eye stuff in there. Anyway, so I think it's like a really good storage system. The drawers are quite big. So it's from IKEA, I believe it's like £12, so it's like really good price. I'm planning to put some labels on it. I need one of those really cool label machines and I'll put labels on it. And then I want to set up in the corner of our bedroom, either in this corner or the corner over here, I want to set up a drawer space. I mean, this space is actually bigger than it looks on camera, but I want to set up like kind of a chest of drawers or like a filing cabinet style thing, and then this will look good on top of that and I'll get a really nice lamp. Where can I get something that's quite nice but affordable, like a rattan style chest of drawers? I need a bit more storage. Well, we're going to need more storage anyway when the baby's here, so it'll be good if it had like drawers or something rather than just a small bedside table. Chest of drawers will go, no, this mirror will go above the chest of drawers, so that'll be really good and it will look nice. And then obviously either this side or that side will have a next to me crib type thing for when the baby's here. Beds is a king size, it's quite big. These cushions got from IKEA, but I need the matching blanket from IKEA. It's just not in stock at the moment. I need to sort out this section. I feel like with nesting or spring cleaning, you can't overwhelm yourself. You have to kind of pick a room a day. Yesterday I done the upstairs bathroom and it's absolutely pristine. You can have like a good clean of the bathroom and make everything clean and hygienic, but yesterday I just went in. I literally, every corner of that bathroom was like sprayed with antibacterial and cleaner and soap and whatever else it needed within an inch of its life. So the upstairs bathroom is looking lovely. So I'm picking a room a day and getting it head to toe decluttered and cleared. So I'm going to go into the baby's room right now. I'm going to put a load of the baby's clothes on wash for the first time, and we're going to organise the drawers. I do actually have an update for you in the baby's room, so let's go there now. Baby's room. I know every time I come in here it looks even more of a dump. That's because we had to get most of the things out of the drawers. One, because I'm washing all the stuff, and two, we finally got handles on the drawers. Lawrence done the drawer handles on these and I absolutely flipping love them. It's completely DIY, so really easy if you want to do something similar yourself. Basically, he ordered some rope off of eBay, and there were already 2 holes in here, but obviously you can drill holes into wood anyway, so if you did want to do it similar to us, you can drill 2 holes. But he ordered this rope off of eBay and measured it all, sellotaped it all so it went through the holes, and added these beads that we had lying around the house. These are really nice organic painted beads that we had lying around the house. So yeah, it's just made such a difference. I just think it looks really cool, looks really fun for a kid's bedroom. Really like it. So I'm really happy we finally got that done. That's another nesting thing ticked off my list. I've got these baskets, which I have organised really well, I believe. I really like them. So this basket is the baby's moisturising style basket. So this is going to go downstairs where we're going to have like a nappy changing area. So it's got this stuff, which is the My Little Coco Everything Balm. I believe this is the, what's her name, Rochelle brand. And I've smelt this stuff and I have used it on my dry knuckles one day and it was lovely. I've got My Expert Midwife No Harm Bum Balm, so that's for changing the nappy. We also have nappy cream here, which is just called Fat Cream, and it's by Little Canaan. And we've got a little tester size Aveeno baby wash. Obviously for the first few weeks the baby just is washed just with water. So yeah, so that's going to be a little baby basket. I've got myself a little basket for shortly after giving birth. So actually this is going to be for in the lead up to birth. Peri-prep your bits. Have some spritz for bits stuff and some body lotion. And this is my breastfeeding basket. So I've got a book here with a pen already inside the book, and that book's going to be the breastfeeding book. I'm going to keep a track of how breastfeeding is going. If it works, might need to do bottle feeding. If it doesn't work, whatever, it's going to be my feeding book. Got some maternity pads here from Boots. Actually they were my sister-in-law's, but she had loads left over. And I've got Keep Your Cool, this stuff, honestly, even if you're not pregnant. Oh my gosh, it smells like a spa. It's unreal. And then I have more elastic skin stuff, and there should be, oh yeah, My Expert Midwife No Harm Nipple Balm, and then some antibacterial, which obviously I'm just going to keep in most baskets downstairs. We always have some available. But yeah, these baskets were from Primark. They're only £7. So this is where I need to call Lawrence. Lawrence! Yeah. Cooey! Yeah. Okay, so another nesting job for us to do today. Let's put this up. Oh, are we doing it today? I thought we were going to wait until we fit everything in. Oh. Just wait until everything's in. I know, but it's fine. There is no... We'll wait until we've... The reason we want to wait is not just because we can't be bothered to do it, because it's like a 2-minute job, but we've got the cot bed to come in here, and it's one of those things in the photo looks like this big, and then in reality it's like that big. So we're going to have to bring it in and maybe move some things around, so nothing's in its final place yet. And once it's in its final place, I mean, it's probably going to go somewhere like here or somewhere, but until we've got everything in... So we don't put it on the door? I quite like the idea of the door, but do you have it though? This is the thing, right? Do you have it on the door for like... Oh. Yeah, those gaps. Because that's what I was going to ask. Do you have it child height? Like child height? Because that's kind of cute, isn't it? That is cute. That is cute.
Because otherwise it's going across. That looks a bit messy.
Do you think?
Yeah, that looks messy. That's too high.
Hold it like in the middle of the panel things.
Like here.
So you think? I don't think it looks messy. I don't know. It's because there's like gaps, isn't there?
I don't know. It's upsetting me. I think that looks quite nice.
And hang their toys on.
Well, yeah, or like
their little dressing gown.
Their little robe. Their little, yeah.
That's cute.
Their outfits, maybe a jacket.
I think we should leave
we should
it.
Wait.
Yeah.
And not in a cop out kind of way. I just think.
So.
Yeah, how good are the drawers, by the way?
Yeah, I know. Just showed everyone. They look good, don't they?
By the way, haircut.
Oh yeah, Lawrence had his haircut. It looks so handsome. So this is going to be this clear box, which actually I stole off my sister. She's not getting it back now. It's going to be top up stuff, which we'll find a place for under the stairs.
Cool. Because
it's not all going to fit in here. So like extra wipes, baby bath.
Obviously that will go in the
bathroom. So let's find a place for that now. I'll put it here. This is your box to deal with.
Okay.
So should we leave all those wipes in there?
Yep. But then obviously we're going to need like a place for wipes, which is going to be like.
Yeah, I'm doing all of that caddies. Well, that's why we need to get the caddies.
Oh, okay, caddies.
It's the baby caddy thing, and a lot of you guys have told me to do it, and it's basically a station downstairs where you've got nappy changing stuff, creams, something for the mum, biscuits, breastfeeding stuff, whether that be snacks or nipple balm, and then the exact same replica upstairs in like our bedroom, you know?
There you go.
And so we need to order 2 caddies, but the majority of the stuff will be here, and then every other day you just top up the caddy, or every 2 days. We are cloth nappying, but we've got lots of newborn ethical type nappies as well, because I feel like the first couple of weeks, let's just get our head around keeping a baby alive, and then we can get through to then we can start practicing here, there and everywhere with the cloth nappies.
Exactly. Yeah.
Then you bring that downstairs for recycling.
Okay.
And these are top ups. This one's actually unopened, which is great.
Oh, what's that? More nappies?
Yeah, these are from your sister.
Alright, cool. What is it? You're right.
Yeah. The brand Pura ethical nappies. So
okay.
Actually, we can just no, we'll leave them in the box.
Nice work. You're looking after their bottom and the planet.
Did I show you this? We got this basket from Aldi. How cute is it? I think it might house. I'm tempted to house reusable nappies in there, but inside of this, I've got lots of these from IKEA, so I can set these up now, and then we can work out where everything goes. What was that? Also got a towel set. Yay! You know what? You know when you have so much to do, or you think you do, you actually start getting confused about where to go, what to start with. So I said I was going to wash the clothes, didn't I? So let me just get the clothes done, and then we can organise a bit more. Okay, up here we have 2 wash baskets. So this is a colour wash that I'm going to put on. This is whites and lights wash that I'll put on. This blanket I actually bought in Disney World when I was like 17, 18, and I always said to myself it's going to be for my baby in the future. Finally, we actually have a chance to use it. Obviously, I'll show you actually. Where is it? The homemade blanket by Grandma. Oh, there's more clothes in here that need washing. This is a homemade blanket made by the baby's grandma. It's in my favourite colour, which is teal. I absolutely love that colour. And yeah, she put it in this gorgeous bag, and that's going to be the baby's main blanket, obviously. And my auntie's actually knitting a blanket for the baby. So yeah, when one's in the wash, we've always got a spare, haven't we? I can't remember when we got these wipes, or maybe someone gave them to us. But we have actually got loads of Aldi wipes because all of you guys told us they're really, really good. But we've also got some Pampers one, and I've noticed they're a bit slimmer, more slimline. So I think they're going to fit in my nappy bag, my nappy changing bag. If you haven't seen this already, I'll link it down below. I'm so happy about this bag. But yeah, there's a side pocket. Let me put it in and I'll show you. The wipes have gone in here perfectly. The Aldi wipes are quite wide, so it's a bit of a squish. But you just put wipes in here and then you open it up and it's got a slit. And I need to take the top off the Pampers wipes. I just don't want them to dry out yet. But you take the top off and you can just pull the wipes through. So on the move, it's like quite an easy thing to change. I love this bag. It's such a gorgeous bag, and it's just going to be perfect for when we're out on a walk. I've got nappies in the bag. Comes with a changing mat. I just love it. And by the way, this is made out of reused plastic bottles, so it's ethical as well. Anyway, so that solved that problem. This is what I mean by nesting, like little things like that gives me great joy. I've got these dummies, which I'm just going to put somewhere in the drawers. I'm not going to sterilise them yet. I'll just sterilise them when the baby's here. But these dummies are from the MAM range, glow in the dark, and they're from birth. For now, I'm going to get the storage boxes all set up and ready to go. Okay, so from IKEA, I bought these drawer dividers, but didn't realise one of them was actually the really deep ones. I was meant to get like the non-deep ones, but actually that's fine because this can be one of the caddies that I was just talking about. So I'm going to fill it up now. See, I'll probably add to it, but we'll put loads of nappies in there. A pack of wipes, cream thing, which is already in a basket. Oh, we need nappy bags, like those biodegradable bags.
Oh yeah.
Need some of those. When all the clothes are washed, I will also put spare vests in there, like spare baby stuff. Oh yeah, muslins. When the muslins are washed, I'll put muslins in there. Maybe the portable changing mat in there. I'll put some of these in there, cotton wool pads, and they will be initially what we use, but then things like this is always useful, isn't it, for babies. Hey Dudu. Hey! That's going to be the downstairs caddy. I feel accomplished with that. Just found my little suitcase, which is on wheels, and dug that out of the cupboard. Obviously hasn't been used in a while because we've not been on holiday, but this is going to be my birthing bag. So I'm probably going to film and pack this tomorrow. So I'm going to put it in the baby's room now, along with, like, you know, bits and bobs that I know will eventually go in there. But I'll put that in here for now, just so that's ready. I know it still looks like a complete mess, but honestly, the nursery is coming together and it's going to look really, really nice when it's done. I will do a final nursery tour when it is done. I bought like the little version of Robinson's Fruit and Barley Peach. It's so good. So I think that's going to go ahead and conclude it for today. I have done quite a lot. I will probably be doing lots of like nesting videos over the next couple of weeks. So if you like this video and you want to see more, I'm also going to do like nesting / spring cleaning. I absolutely deep cleaned the bathroom yesterday and it was so satisfying, so I'm going to do that to every room. If you want me to film that, let me know. I also have lots of Aldi and Lidl videos coming very soon. They need to be edited, but I know you're going to love them. So I really hope you enjoyed today's Nest With Me video. If you want to see more, do let me know. I hope you guys are okay and doing well. I love you so much. Thank you for making this journey so much more exhilarating, exciting for me. Just generally being like really good friends to me, great advice, just great words of wisdom. So thank you so much for that. I hope you're all well and I'll see you again in another video really, really soon. And yeah, I love you very much. Bye.